Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Aquarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Aquarius, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. Empress seems upset here today, Aquarius. Keeping boundaries up, center of my spread. All right. Six of Cups, bottom of my deck, Aquarius. This is an energy of somebody coming back. Or maybe, yes, there is another Three of Cups here. That's the last card I have on the table, which is again a card of reconciliation, somebody coming back, some communication coming in. Let's see what's happening here. Ten of Wands in reverse, which shows me somebody is now letting go of some burden regarding a family situation or a commitment. But there's an Empress who's upset and no longer... Wait, 1 second. I'm going to clarify all these cards, Aquarius, because I see somebody being very, very defensive and regarding a trickster here. I am going to clarify each one of these cards later. Let me just start with some dialogue message cards between the two of you. See if you guys wanted to say something to each other, and then we'll go on with the reading. Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other. Okay. Aquarius and their person, they could say something to each other now. Aquarius and their person. All right. And let's take one or two from here. Aquarius and their person. Good to go. Okay, Aquarius, let's start your reading. It's really insulting when you try and control the situation and withhold information. You're underestimating my intuitive abilities, my connection with the divine, and must be forgetting how connected we are on soul level. You know that I'll always know what's going on because even your higher self tells on you. So this seems like a very strong soulmate connection where you guys know each other to the T. I can't believe how much time we wasted on bullshit. I feel your energy and receive your telepathy. I reach out to show you how much I care and offer you support. You read my messages and I feel you even more, but you stay silent. Your telepathy is a contradiction to your silence. I just simply can't understand this. If you love me, let me know and let it show. And if you don't love me, please set me free and let me go. I want to protect you, steal your smiles, stop your tears, and wake up to kiss you every morning. I want to show you that you're the most beautiful, best thing that's happened to me. I always look out for you because I love you unconditionally. I try to warn you about fake people with bad intentions who are out to manipulate and use you. It cuts deep because you seem to trust everyone over me. I know that I need to make amends for my mistakes. I'm contemplating how to do this because I want to show you how much you mean to me. I didn't run from you. I ran away from myself. It's all down to my deep fear of rejection and insecurities. Nothing and no one can compare to you. My heart aches for you. You are the love of my life. I believe the best is yet to come. Keep praying, stay positive, and keep believing in us. We see this from two different perspectives. And the last one says, Aquarius, this situation is messy. Let's see what the mess is all about, Aquarius. Let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels can bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Healing. Yes, healing is coming to the situation. I saw that. Even though there's been a bit of trouble here, I think healing is coming to you and also the situation. Don't worry about it. I do see something good happening by the time we reach our end of this reading. Let's see what's happening. Okay, so 10 of Wands, Spirit. Who's dropping what now? Yes, somebody's realizing this is becoming too much to bear. This is too overwhelming. My person is very, very selfish, very self-centered. I don't think we can ever have this new beginning. Maybe somebody who's looking for a commitment, because they felt this very strong soul tie. This is my person. This is the one I can telepathically speak with. But in reality, even though telepathically in the 3D, we are like, at par and, one cup to another and we are soulmates, we feel all that. But in reality, look at my person. Selfish, self-centered, and makes me do all the work in the connection. I'm tired. I can't hold all these wands by myself. And the best I can do is now kind of drop them. I don't think we're going to have any new beginning for us. So then what's this 10 of Pentacles, Spirit, for Aquarius? What's this 10 of Pentacles? So yeah, this could be a committed relationship maybe. Or maybe somebody wanted a committed relationship, yeah. But things are not really moving forward, or they're kind of seeming blocked or not moving forward. It's making the other person or both of you, I don't know, very unhappy, because there's lack of emotional satisfaction here. This Empress feels that, I don't think there's any growth left here. That my person they don't even say sorry to me, don't even apologize to me. They behave in such a bad manner, and they never offer me love, any emotions. This Empress is almost thinking that maybe it's, better if I was just single and I could just take care of myself. What's the point of being an Empress if my person is never going to be my counterpart or give me that respect? I think I'm tired of waiting and being at crossroads. I think I'm going to make a decision now once and for all and maybe become single here. Okay? Because they feel they were dealing with a trickster who only creates illusions. They feel my person is toxic now. They have addictions, or they are, only interested in one thing maybe. So as this clarity is coming to this Empress about the toxicity of this situation, maybe because it's become a bit messy now, because this masculine, I think, has been creating illusions or tricking this Empress, this feminine is, I think, saying, hey, I know the truth now, and after I've seen the truth, I know the truth, I feel the truth, I'm going to keep my boundaries up here, because I'm not going to stay in a place where I'm the one who's always stressed out. I do not want to have any more sleepless nights here. If this tower has to fall, then I'm going to allow it to fall. Tower in reverse, and I'm not going to be having any more sleepless nights here over them. I've recognized the fact that this person is bad. Okay, I know that they're toxic, I know that they are a trickster and they're selfish and they don't participate in this connection. They don't carry half the wands. So what's this 8 of Wands, Spirit? 8 of Wands. What's this communication? Okay, so now, see, I told you something good's going to come out. So now, just as this Empress has put up her boundaries and decided to drop the situation, here comes in the communication. The communication is coming from the masculine, who's now become the Emperor. They say, all right, I'm not going to lose my Empress, so I'm going to kind of level up to them. And from being the king of wands in reverse, I'm going to now become the empress, because I don't want to live the rest of my life in regret and sorrow either. I don't want to keep looking back at the past and saying, oh my God, I lost my empress. I want to come out of this place. So yes, somebody wants to communicate. I have this card twice, in fact, for them. Five of Cups in reverse, Five of Cups in reverse. Somebody just doesn't want to be in this, make the mistake of losing their empress. In fact, they are now leveling up and trying to become a better version of themselves. So, Knight of Pentacles, Spirit? Knight of Pentacles. Yes, it's coming a bit slow, Aquarius, I'll be honest. This person is coming in slow, but I think very, very steady. Right now, they're feeling a bit sheepish. They're also feeling sad and depressed and rejected by this Empress now. Maybe they did that to the Empress earlier. Now, since the Empress has her boundaries up, this person who's trying now to be the Emperor is taking a slow, methodical approach, but right now, I think they're feeling a little embarrassed, right? And also a bit sad. They feel that they lost. If this was whatever this was, they feel if they played the games, if they were trying to be a trickster, they are the ones who ended up losing, and they don't know how to face this Empress right now. But they desperately do want to come out of this place of regret and sorrow. Yes, they want to return. They definitely want to return. They don't want to see what else is out there. They've already found what they wanted. Yes, Knight of Pentacles again. So what's this Knight of Pentacles, Spirit, which keeps coming out for them? They're waiting. Okay, they're waiting for this. They know that they've hurt their person very badly. They know what they've done, and they are suspecting that right now things are pretty bad. Right? So they're waiting for this Empress to lower their defenses, that cool down a little bit. So they're taking a slower approach, waiting as to when they can, communicate or do something or come forward. They are waiting. Like if maybe behind those bushes there, somebody is just waiting to pounce, but they are taking their time because they're a little scared of, what they've done. They know they've really messed up something really big time. So, Three of Cups, Spirit? Three of Cups. They want a second chance, Aquarius. Look at this. Judgment and the Three of Cups. This is a card of reconciliation, and Judgment is a card of rebirth, a second chance. They do want to come in and repair this broken heart. Aquarius. I told you right in the beginning, somebody is wanting to come back. They haven't come back yet. They're coming a bit slow because they're a bit fearful of what they've done. Let's take a card for this as well. Spirit, Six of Cups. Six of Cups. Six of Cups. Six of Cups. Yes, this is somebody from your past. This is somebody from your past who probably didn't make a decision when they should have. They brought a bit of imbalance to this connection. They may have played mind games and really behaved in an obnoxious manner, I would say. And this person knows it. They know what they've done. But they have a lot of love in their heart, and they are missing this Empress. And yes, don't worry. I think once a little bit healing is done, and the healing is being sent by the universe, I feel. That's what my angels are saying, that healing is being sent to the situation, to both of you individually and to the connection. After that, of course, this Empress has her free will. There's absolutely free will. Do you want this person back or not? But they definitely want this Empress back. They are very, very sad and apologetic and feeling terrible about what they've done, and they really want to come back now mature and get out of the stuck position that you both are in now. They want to get out of this hung energy. So that's all I have for you. Yes, somebody knows that they've made some unwise decisions here. They know this entire thing has backfired on them, but they do want to come out of this stress and tension and overthinking, because I have the same card here again, the Six of Cups. Somebody wants to come back. Okay, Aquarius? Rest is, of course, your choice to take them back, not take them back, but they're going to be coming. All right? So, till next time, then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.